Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to connect Bluetooth earbuds and headphones to Windows 11 laptop. Open Bluetooth and Devices Settings. Click Add Device. Select your earbuds or headphone. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.